Chapter number 3, Matrix. First of all, what do you mean by matrix? This matrix is nothing but the square and rectangle arrangement of the numbers. Now, if we put the entry in this box type Aij m cross n, where m is row, n is number of column, and I and j denote the respective row and column, where 1 smaller than equal to I, smaller than equal to m, 1 smaller than equal to j, smaller than equal to n, and I and j belongs to n. For example, if I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, then this is called 2 by 2 matrix, and this number 1 is nothing but A11 because it lying in first row and first column. Same way, if I want to write for 2, then I have to write A12 because first row and second column. Now, Aij of 1 cross n, it means only one row and n number of columns. So it is known as row matrix. The example is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. See, this is known as one row, 1, 2, 3, 4 column. So it is known as 1 by 4 row matrix. Same way, Aij is equal to m cross 1. Then it is known as column matrix because here number of rows are m but column are only 1. Hence it is known as column matrix. Now, general form of matrix is A is equal to Aij m cross n. Then there are two possibilities. Either m is equal to n or m is not equal to n. Suppose m and n are equal, then number of row and number of column are equal, and hence it is known as square matrix. But if m and n are not same, then it is called rectangle matrix. There are two possibilities for the rectangle, either horizontal rectangle or vertical rectangle. It depends over m and n. If rows are more and column are less, m is greater than n, then my answer is rectangle, vertical. And if m is smaller than n, then it is a row matrix. Okay, so rectangle matrix having two cases, row rectangle and column type rectangle. Now, why we have to need to learn this topic? Because in 10th standard we have studied linear equation in two variable. How to solve linear equation in two variable? Then there are so many methods: graphical method, right? Substitution method, elimination method, and the last is cross multiplication method. Here we introduce a new topic, matrix, and with the help of matrix we can also express the linear equation in this matrix manner, and by using matrix formula we can solve this. Good morning students. In last class we have studied Aij m cross n, where m cross n is nothing but the order of the matrix. When we want to add both matrix A and B, then there is some necessary as well as sufficient conditions. That conditions are order of both the matrix must be same. That is, if A having order, for example 2 by 3, then B also having order 2 by 3, then only addition is possible. For example, we know that what do you mean by 2 by 3? 2 row and 3 column. Now let A be 2 row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is called A. And suppose B is also 2 by 3. Say A, B, C, D, E, F. Then the result for matrix sum A plus B is equal to, we have to add the respective entry. This entry is known as A11 and this entry is also known as A11. So we will add first entry with first entry. So addition of 1 with A is our result. So the first entry is 1 plus A. Now similarly the 2 added with this B, because the position for this 2 is A12, first row, second column. Similarly in B also A12. So we will add 2 with B. So the next entry is 2 plus B. Similarly the remaining is 3 plus C, 4 plus D, 5 plus E and 6 plus F. These are the entries of A plus B. Same way, if I will change the question, instead of find out A plus B, if I will change the question for the same question, if I will ask, tell me the answer of A minus B, then also we will perform the same thing. We will subtract first entry and first entry of the second matrix, that is 1 minus A. So the result of A minus B is 1 minus A. Similarly, the second entry is 2 minus B, 3 minus C, 4 minus D, 5 minus E, 6 minus F. Now observe that the original question having order 2 by 3 and B also having answer 2 by 3. So the result of addition as well as subtraction also having same order. So 2 by 3, 2 row and 3 column. Okay. So there are 2 into 3, 6 entry are there. But suppose if anybody say if A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and if B is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and if we wish to add both the matrix, then there is a problem. With 1 with 5 it's okay, 2 with 6 is okay, but what about this 7? There is no entry in A. So A plus B is not possible to find for this kind of combination because it is 2 by 2 and this is 2 by 3. So what is the necessary condition for the addition or subtraction? We have to check whether both the matrix having same order or not. If order is same, then only it is. Good morning students. In the last class we have seen that how to add the matrix. Now today we will see if A is equal to Aij m cross n, then m cross n is known as order of the matrix. If in exam for 1 mark question, if it is says that if matrix A having order 2 by 3, then write the number of element in this matrix. So we can say that in that case, see 2 row because 2 is the row and 3 for the column and 3 column. So this way we can observe that there are in total 6 entry. So we can say this matrix A has 6 elements. But if I will change the question, if matrix A has order 6, then possible matrix are first A, it might be 6 by 1 where 6 is row, 1 is column. Second possibility is 3 by 2 where 3 is row, 2 is column. Next 2 by 3, so we can say 2 row, 3 column, and the last is 1 by 6, 1 row, and 6 columns. So in general, we can say that from the order we can write the factor of the number. All the vectors of the number are possible combination of the row and column. So in exam they can ask that. But suppose the number is prime number. Prime number, the order is for example 11. Then in this case 11 is a prime number. So the possible matrix are only 11 by 1 and 1 by 11, where 11 is row, 1 is column, and here 1 is row and 11 is column. So when the order is a prime number, then there are only two possibilities. First, either your matrix is column matrix or row matrix. Why column matrix? This we have discussed in the last class. If only one column is there, see, I am talking about 11 by 1. One column and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 are row. So there are 11 entry in this first column. The name of this first entry is first row, first column, second row, first column, and this way 11th row and first column. So this presentation is clearly seen as a column matrix, and same way here 1 by 11. Now next topic is, suppose in exam matrix is given and the other matrix is also given of the same order, then we can equate according to the relation. For example, A is given x, y, z, w, and B is given 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then if my question is A equal to B, then we can equate first entry with first entry. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3 and w is equal to 4. We can equate first one row, one column with one row, one column of B. Same way, sometimes we will get an equation. Say A is equal to A plus B, C plus D, A minus B, C minus D, and B is given 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then relation is there, A equal to B. So what we will do in this case? Again we will equate first entry with first entry. So we will say A plus B is equal to 1. This is equation number 1. Next, C plus D is equal to 2. This is equation number 2. Next, A minus B is equal to 3. This is equation number 3. And the next and last is C minus D is equal to 4. This is equation number 4. Now here we can see that equation 1 and equation 3 is the combination of A and B. So by elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication, it is up to you how to solve. I will here use elimination method. B get cancelled. So answer is 2A is equal to 4, and as a result we will get A is equal to 2. Now substitute this value of A in equation 1 or 2, it is up to you. Suppose I will put A is equal to in equation 1, then my equation is 2 plus B is equal to 1. That's why B is equal to 1 minus 2, because 2 shifted on that side. So 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. So result of A and B is 2 and minus 1. Similarly, if we solve equation number 2 and equation number 4, then again D get cancelled. If I will add both equation, D get cancelled. Then again 2C is equal to 6, and as a result C is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. Now you can put C3 in equation number 2 or C value 3 in equation number 4. You have to put only in one equation. Suppose I will put 3 here, then 2 minus 3. So D is equal to minus 1. This way we can obtain the value of A, B, C, D on this equation. But suppose in exam you want to check whether your answer is right or wrong. See, in regular we can check our answer from the back side of the textbook, but in exam, how can you cross check your answer is right or wrong? For that, select this value of A, select this value of B, and substitute in the question. Suppose A is 2 and B is minus 1, that I will put here. A is 2, B is minus 1. Then my result is 1. Here also it is 1, so my answer is right. Same way you can check for the C and D also. C is 3, D is minus 1. So C is 3, D is minus 1. If I will do the subtraction, we get the answer 2. Here also 2. This way you can cross check your answer also. Okay. Now students, in exam for 2 marks question, there is one question. Say A is equal to Aij of order 2 by 2, where relation is given Aij is equal to I plus j by 2. Question is form 2 by 2 matrix. Now we know that because of 2 by 2 matrix there are 4 elements. First element is A11. Here because of A11 we can say I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. That we will substitute in this given relation. So the first entry is 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 2 by 2, so it is 1. Same way the second entry is, we know that 2 by 2, so there are 4 entries, namely A11, A12, A21, A22. Why it is A11? First row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. So now A12, A12 means again I is 1 and j is 2, that we will substitute here. So 1 plus 2 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Now same way, if you want to find the remaining entry, that is A21 and A22, we will substitute value of I and j, that is 2 and 1 in this relation. So 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2, and 2 plus 2 by 2, that is 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So finally required matrix A is A11, that is 1, A12, that is 3 by 2, A21, that is 3 by 2, and A22, that is 2. Same way they can ask, instead of 2 by 2, they will ask the same question, A of order 2 by 3. In that case we can say that there are 6 elements. And that elements having name A11, because 2 row, we know that 2 row 3 columns, so there are 6 entries. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Now whenever you want to find A11, you have to put I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1 in given